When this conniving ex-wife shamelessly lied in court to sabotage her husband, she did not expect him to show up with video proof.
Ms. Galt, you filed a petition for a personal protection order against Mr. Schmidt.
I did.
And can you tell me about that incident?
We were at a custody exchange and Ben was refusing to go. I calmly told Kyle that Ben was refusing to go and not wanting to speak to him. Kyle then proceeded to hit my windows of my car and continued to escalate and raise his voice. During the time, I was inching backwards to try to leave, and he continued to stay by my car.
And was there anything else with regard to that particular date that happened?
I was extremely fearful because I didn't know, with him hitting my window, what was going to happen next, and I was afraid. And he would not let me leave and was trapping me where I couldn't move my vehicle again.
I have video footage of the incidents. You said I entrapped you. How did I entrap you in your vehicle when I was standing next to it?
Again, you were inches away from my vehicle, not making it safe for me to back up safely, which is why I called the police.
Entrapment would be blocking you with a car, a physical person.
I was unable to safely back up, and because you were inches from my car, I was entrapped in the parking space.
No, that's not the definition of entrapment.
How does that make you feel when he's taking videos of you?
Fearful, afraid, and unsure of what it could escalate to.
When we were at the Shell station in Battle Creek, are you aware that's a public place?
I'm aware.
Are you aware that you can videotape in a public place?
I am aware, but I asked you kindly to please stop.
Okay, that's not the question. Are you aware it's a public place and you can video?
I'm aware.
Okay. So if you were fearful and there's a video being taken, wouldn't that make you feel safer because it's on a video that somebody could actually review if they requested? If you felt unsafe, that would make you feel safer, correct?
No, it did not make me feel safer.
But it's on video. It's a recording, right? That would show the incidents that happened. There's 4 of them that I have. Is that correct?
I was unsure if the situation would escalate, and it did make me feel fearful.
But how can you predict the future of what's going to happen? Can you read minds?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Sustained. Just address the facts, sir.
Nothing further.
First, she's fearful of the videotaping, but the point that Mr. Schmidt makes is appropriate, that if he's videoing it, then she should feel safer, not feel unsafe or fearful because of the fact that it's all videoed and all records. She may not like it, but that doesn't mean that there's going to be any, violence as a result of that. In fact, the court would believe, as did Mr. Schmidt, that it'd be less likely to be any particular violence. I will deny the petition for entry of PPO.